Hey everyone, are you ready to explore the amazing features of Kling AI? In today's video, I'll walk you through how to create a Kling AI account step by step. It's quick, free, and super easy. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Kling AI website. The first step is to open your browser and type in klingai.com. This is where all the magic happens. Step 2. Click on the sign up button. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign up button. It's usually at the top right corner. Click it to start the registration process. Step 3. Fill in your details. Next, you'll see a form. Enter your name, email address, and create a strong password. Make sure to use a valid email as you'll need it for verification. Step 4. Verify your email. Check your email for a verification message from Kling AI. Click on the link provided to confirm your account. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. Step 5. Log in and explore. After verifying, return to the Kling AI site and log in using your email and password. Congratulations! You now have full access to Kling AI's features. Go ahead and explore. That's it. You've successfully created your Kling AI account in just a few steps. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you plan to do with Kling AI. See you next time. Thanks for watching.